I'm up at Johnstown having a look at a few bikes. It's something a bit of interest. I assume that's a Volkswagen engine trike. Nice thing. A few other various bikes, a Harley. Big white tank on it. Lovely looking thing really, if you like that kind of thing. Alongside that, a Street Fighter. Plenty of chrome. Yamaha. Oh no, it's the Isle of Man badge. 3 legs. Nice bike. I've seen this before actually, thinking about it. Camouflage coloured Street Fighter. Yamaha. More bikes and more bikes. What a good turnout really. Legs are taking off, making plenty of noise. I think that's a V-rod, if I'm not mistaken. Yamaha V-Max, all the various things alongside it. So we have a big gold wing outfit. All the comforts of home and that, I suppose. The old job. Another Harley, black one. Don't know what model. Don't know much about them really. Going off down the road. The old 6-cylinder Honda, Ralph Carley, I think that is. Very interesting headlights on this one. Very pretty. I don't know what they're like, mind you. BMW alongside. Harley again. Another Harley. Over there, Motorbikes. Now here's something very interesting. Honda CBX trike. 6-cylinder. Wouldn't see too many of them about. Very unique. Chain drive to the diff. Something quite different. Nice little machine actually. Very nice.